Hey everybody, welcome back to 1 Minute Walking Tours. I'm having a little impromptu tour today for myself. I thought I would record it. We're actually up here near the Delacorte Theater. I don't know which is where New York City puts on its famed Shakespeare in the Park, where I once tried to see Patrick Stewart in The Tempest. But right across the path from there in Central Park, which would be the Upper West Side, the 80s, are these stones here. Big one here. Now this is all that's left, and it's just north of the Seneca Village, which I did in another video, of the original feeding reservoir for New York City. It was completed in 1842 and was part of the reservoir system to feed the rapidly growing New York City, and this was attached to a 180 million gallon stone building. Now there's another famous reservoir here in New York City, and that is of course where the public library is. New York Public Library is now. But this was part of a system to bring water to New York City, again, which this is before the park was built. This was virgin land, designed to bring water from Westchester to the rapidly growing city. And you can see that Seneca Village is going to collide with the urban planning of New York City pretty quickly, because Seneca Village is really only, 10-minute walk. I don't know how far it is in this direction. So this isn't art, and this isn't accident. This is the remains of a building here in Central Park. We'll see you here soon. I hope you enjoyed the video. Damn button.